name is Flavia Nascente, also known as Chef con F on Instagram. I graduated back in 2021 from Bauman College, holistic chef program. Found out that it was very important for me to learn to cook healthy. So Bauman really prepared me and gave me all the options and guidance to transform what I was cooking already and making it in a healthier version. There's a demand for healthy cooking right now, and just do it as fast as you can if that's what you like, cooking and transforming people's life in terms of nourishing and making healthy food. Yeah, just do it as soon as you can. My favorite part of the program was to learn how to play with the ingredients, how to transform a basic regular recipe into a healthy recipe. For example, doing the same recipe in all versions, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, for a specific client. So I think that was the most, playing with new ingredients, that was the most fun part on the program. Right now, I am a personal chef. I do have 6 clients and a growing waiting list. I also have a program called Cooking for Friends. It happens once a month. It's a personal catering event where I provide 5-course menu, open bar and a coffee bar at the client's house.